It was a rainy Wednesday evening. I was stranded at Ojulegba, no buses, heavy rain, and a broken umbrella. As I stood there shivering, she tapped my shoulder. A girl with bright eyes, holding a big umbrella, smiled and said, "Let's share." We walked in the rain together, laughing and dodging puddles. Her name was Joy, and her smile lit up the whole street. Before I could ask for her number, a downfall splashed water all over us. We both burst out laughing. She handed me a small paper. "If it's meant to be, you call." And then, she disappeared into the crowd. That night, I unfolded the paper, it was blank. I never saw her again. But I'll never forget Joy, the girl with the umbrella,